Today we're learning about chickens and ducks. Isn't that so cool? So we're going to read this book called The Chicken and the Duck. And there is going to be some very unlikely stuff to happen in real life. So this is called a fiction book. That is correct. The Chicken and the Duck. A duck came out of his shell. I am out, he said. Then here's the chicken also popping out. Actually, that's the duck popping out. That's the chicken. So shake, shake, shake. Peek, boop, 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 woof, woof. Me too, said the chick. I am taking a walk, said the duck. Me too, said the chick. I am digging a hole, said the duck. Chicken's like, what? Me too, said the chicken. Chick. I found a worm, said the duck. Me too. Oh, I forgot to show you the picture. Show you the other picture. Here is the other picture. Then this one. I found a worm, said the duck. Me too, said the chick. I caught a butterfly, said the duck. Me too, said the chick. I am going for a swim, said the duck. Oh, did I show you the other picture? Terrible. I am going for a swim, said the duck. Me too, said the chick. I am swimming, said the duck. Me too, cried the chicken. Oh, I'm terrible at showing pictures. Can I show this one? Can I show you the other one? Alright. The duck put the chicken out. Pulled the chicken out. I'm going for another swim, said the duck. Not me, said the chick. picture one. And drag him up. And that one. And so that was the end of our book. I know it's sad that we ended our book, but was that a good story? It was, because everyone is different, right? Everyone's different because everyone has different personalities. Some people don't like animals. Some people don't like flowers. Some people like flowers. Some people like animals. I like everything. And some people like everything too, so some of us are the same. But do we look the same? Never. We never have the same clothes. And all this is nothing. Nothing. So see, everything is the same. It's not like everybody is the same. No one's the same. So, did this chick think he was the same? He did. He thought he was a duck. But what did we find out? That chicks cannot swim. That is a true fact. And I guess the author who made this wanted to share some information about not being the same. Because animals are never the same except when they are the same breed of animals. A breed is a type of animal. So a herd is the same type of animal running from an enemy. An enemy is where someone animals don't like because they eat them. They only, I think, one of them. So I guess if there's a bunch, one catches the other, and kill them. So every day you always think different things are gonna be the same. If you guys think everyone should be the same, that is not cool. Because if this book made you think everyone should be the same, this book treated you wrong. This book is supposed to justify the difference about us and animals. So if you think I'm the same as you, that is not. Thank you to Lacey, Kyle, Miss Brooks, and Miss Moody, and Pop and Mimi, and my most loyalty, my friends, Zoe, Bria, and Violet. Thank you guys, and remember, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, Miss Mooney, Miss Brooks, Lacey and Kyle, Violet, Bria, and Zoe for staying home. And some of you I don't think watch my videos. I don't think Bria knows this, and I don't think Zoe knows, but I know Violet knows. But I hope you guys stay home, keep your family safe, and make sure the rule. Stay home, stay home, stay home and live. Bye. And remember, always text in if you have a question. Okay? Bye.